So here's our code here, running from the Arduino software. We have it running here into the Arduino. So this is the buzz wire game, which is trying to move this loop around this course here without making it buzz. So we have our base here. It's just a plastic bin with the wiring coming out the bottom here. I've drilled holes and then a little hole for the LED. So we have our piezo buzzer LED you see turning on and off because I have it set to 30 seconds on and then 5 seconds off. So you have 30 seconds to complete the course, and then it turns off for 5 seconds and then it resets. So we have a 220 ohm resistor running with the LED so as to not fry it on our piezo buzzer, and then the digital outputs therein, as well as the ground and power supply. So I'm going to try to put this on here. So try to line up the LED here with the top of the bin, which is a little tricky sometimes. There we go. So now the LED is on, signaling that the game is active. So you have 30 seconds from the start of this to make it around. So I'm gonna wait until it goes off for 5 seconds, signal the start of the next game, and then I will try and complete the course without it buzzing. So let's wait until the LED goes off here. Okay, I'm gonna start. When I'm not making contact, there's no buzz. The top gets a little tricky here. Let's see, so I touch, so there's a little buzz because there's contact between the copper wire and the aluminum. Top's a little tricky, but the rest is fairly simple. And then come down to the end within time, and I just rest it on some masking tape here as an insulator. So that is my project, and you can see it's all housed down here. There's a little inlet for some of the wiring. Some other things I would have liked to have done is add an LCD screen to actually see a physical representation of the time, as well as maybe a couple different LEDs, a green one when it's active and maybe a red one would buzz or turn on whenever you made an error. Perhaps the piezo buzzer could have a sort of startup song, or maybe add a little more music or tone rather than just one buzz, but you can see that it works pretty well for what it is, and I've just used an old coat hanger strip as our handle. And here's the code again that we're running. So that is my project. Thank you.